Hey Gene, it's Jonathan. I've got a scripting question. So what I'm going to do is show you. These are my rules. And so basically anything that has 00566-050 should go to project 1363. And it does. If I create a new part in SOLIDWORKS, it does go to that project. But for some reason, when I do things in 300, they do not go there. They go to 5. They go to what I'm currently active in. Does that make sense? So some work, some don't. Especially 566-600. They never go into 1375. They always go into what I'm currently active in, even though like 600, show you, is 1375. So I need a little help to identify why that would be happening, what would be causing that. And I just created this list. It is saved. The par file is in read only right now, but I saved it properly, and I guess just to show you the SOLIDWORKS options. If I go to Tools and DBWORKS and Options, you can see in my list. So 50's in there, and then, I mean, it's the same structure for everything, so I don't know what I'm missing. What would cause some work and some don't? I'm looking for any help on that. Appreciate it. Thank you.